Hello, first grade. Today is lesson 113 for phonics. We are going to practice spelling with the doubling rule and the dropping rule. But first, we are going to do some review. And so I am going to give you a clue, and you need to tell me what letters match the clue. Okay? So the first one is, what letters spell the oi sound in coin? What letters spell the oi sound in coin? That oi sound is in the middle of the word. Oi is spelled O-I. Oi. All right, next, how do we spell the final sound in flow? What is the final sound in flow? O, how do we spell O at the end of a word? O-W. O-W. How do we spell the final stable syllable in the word motion? Motion. So that syllable is shun. How do we spell shun? T-I-O-N. Shun. Shun. Just a few more. What is the final sound in the word annoy? Annoy. Oi. How do we spell oi when it's at the end of a word? Oi at the end of a word is spelled O-Y. Oi. What is the initial sound in the word quilt? Quilt. What sound do you hear first? Qu. How do we spell qu? Q-U. Qu. Great job. We have one more. What is the final sound in the word thaw? Aw. How do we spell aw if it's at the end of a word? Aw. A-W. A-W. Great job. All right, so like I said, today we are going to practice spelling with the dropping and doubling rules. Remember, when we use the dropping rule or the doubling rule to add a suffix to a word, we can use the check system. So we're going to practice using the check system. So I've got 3 examples on my board. So let's look at the first example. Does this root word end with a silent E? No. Check. Does the root word end with a vowel consonant? Vowel consonant? Yep. So check. Are we adding a vowel suffix? We have ED, that starts with a vowel. Check. We have 2 checks. That means we need to do something. What do we do when the word ends with a vowel consonant? We double the consonant. So to spell the word dripped, we will spell it D-R-I-P-P-E-D. Dripped. Dripped. Can you use that word in a sentence? The rain dripped on my head. Ah! All right, let's look at this word. Trade. Trade. Does it end with a silent E? Yes, it does. Check. We have consonant, vowel, vowel, consonant, silent E. Is this a vowel suffix? I-N-G? Yes, so this one is the dropping rule. Remember, we have silent E, we're going to drop. So trading is spelled T-R-A-D-I-N-G. Trading. So this was the doubling rule. We doubled the P. This is the dropping rule. We dropped the E. Okay, so let's look at the next example. We have the word melt. Is there a silent E at the end? No. Do we have vowel consonant at the end? No, no check mark here. So that means we are just going to add the suffix, no changes. Melted is M-E-L-T-E-D. Give me one moment and I will add 3 more examples for us. All right, first grade, I have 3 more examples. So let's look at the top. Do we have a silent E at the end of this word? Yes, we do. So check, we're going to cross out the E if this is a vowel suffix. Yes, it is. 2 checks means we will drop that final E. So hiding is H-I-D-I-N-G. We use the dropping rule. Does this root word have final E? No. Does it have vowel consonant? Not really. This has digraph consonant, so no check. Is the suffix a vowel suffix? No. So no check marks means no changes. So this word will be sleepless, S-L-E-E-P-L-E-S-S. And let's look here. Oops. I got ahead of myself. Hopefully you didn't catch that. Does this word have silent E? No, it does not. Does it end in vowel consonant? Yes, it does. Do we have a vowel suffix? This says Y. Remember, Y can act as a vowel. So yes, this is the doubling rule. So for funny, it is spelled F-U-N-N-Y. Funny. We are going to practice some more examples. You're going to get to write with me on our worksheet. So join me there.